Alcohol Abuse by Adelaide Boyden and Sam. Did you know that if you are caught while drinking and driving, you'll have to pay over $5,000 in fines? Drinking is bad, and some people, you, are smart enough to stay away from it. I mean, it wouldn't help you. It can mess up your thinking, waste your money, and change your life for the bad. Let's zoom in on first choice.
Alcohol, it stinks. $44 billion are spent on alcohol a year, so make it stop. You should stop drinking because it makes you make bad decisions. In 2010, for these death damages contributed to a cost of $44 billion. Alcohol can damage your heart, lungs, and brain. By drinking too much, that's how it makes you make bad decisions. Alcohol can destroy families and friendships. Alcohol can ruin your life it can affect every part in the body. It also can make your liver hurt a lot. It destroys families and friends. Also, it can kill you. It can make you mad, sad, really happy, emotional. It can kill you by a heart attack from stress.
Alcohol can make you emotional. It can make you happy, sad, really angry, and you can die. Reason 3 is it can waste your time and money. So here are some facts. On average, some people can spend $1,000 to $3,000 a year. Can you believe drinking that much alcohol? $68 billion is spent in 1 year. If you drink and drive and get caught, it can cost you more than $5,000. Yikes! You can get sued. You can get alcohol poisoning. You can get mood swings, so here's what I'm saying. Please do not drink or get drunk because you can die. That is very sad. Well, we made it to the end. You know how evil alcohol is, so you'll probably stay away from it. I mean, you know that. Reason 1 is it can make you do bad decisions. Reason 2, it ruins your life. Reason 3, it wastes your time and money. You can die from drinking too much.